Joined once again by Miss Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are making Fiesta. What is it?
Skillet vegetables.
Fiesta skillet vegetables. That's what we're making. Let's get started.
Let's get started. Okay, you're going to add. I already cooked the bacon, and then I left in 2 tablespoons of our drippings there. I'm going to just turn that down a little bit. I think it's starting to smoke. Goodness,
we don't want that.
We don't want
that.
That's
what Raina does out back.
Okay.
No, I don't. I never really, I swear.
So these are all ingredients from the garden,
okay.
And you're going to add our fresh corn. We'll add that. And if you don't...
Oh, God, sorry.
Yeah, we had it a little hot. There you go. Did that scare you? Sorry.
No, that was good. It was good.
And we just want to saute this to make them crisp tender. You've got the edamame, yes. You're going to add, and I have special green peppers there.
Yeah.
These are ones that Ezra, my grandson, grew.
Oh my
goodness. You could use a different color if you wanted to add a color in there with it. You have the red onions.
Okay.
But I wanted to use his from the garden.
No, that's perfect. Yes. I love that he did that. So he grew them all by himself and like also harvest them?
Super fresh.
Yes, and brought them down to me this week.
Oh, that's really sweet.
Oh,
yes.
That's cute.
I know, what a kid. He's so cute.
All right, so there, look how nice that looks. Got that.
I love the color.
So and you want to add this. This is a little bit of garlic, so that's going to get our color in.
Very Fiesta-ish.
Yes. And we're going to, I'll turn this back up.
Waste.
No, I'm glad. That's great. So we would just cook this for just a few minutes to make it crisp tender. And then we are adding our special ingredients. You have lime juice there with a little lime zest.
Oh, I do love that.
You have some cumin and some chili powder. If you have trouble thinking of ideas, have a way to serve vegetables, this is just such a refreshing way to do it for the summer.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to add back in the bacon. Ooh. That was 4 strips of bacon that we cooked. We'll add that, stir that in. And the cherry tomatoes. That's going to give it lots of color. And then right before you serve it, we're going to add a little bit of cilantro to that.
It's smelling amazing.
Isn't? And it's so pretty. I don't know, can we hold that up a little bit?
There we go.
Can we see that?
It looks like a rainbow in a pan.
Such a great way to serve vegetables from our garden. And again, you know, when you're making it yourself, you can always make some adjustments. Our soybeans there are the edamame, so we're using that. And we're ready to go. And I have one on display there, but just such a great way to serve vegetables for the summer.
Oh,
they can go to our website at kansassoybeans.org or call our 800 number 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the August recipes.
Jarrett.
Sorry, I can't wait. It's perfect. Okay, thank you so much, Miss Charlene. All right, stay with us. We're back right after this.